Hello students, a very warm welcome to yet another exciting journey of learning English phonetics. I hope you all are as fit as a fiddle. Kids, it's time for a warming up activity. Everybody sit in a comfortable position, sit straight, keep your back straight, place your hands on your lap, let them rest there and slowly close your eyes and breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, hold your breath in between, breathe out, breathe in, pause, breathe out, breathe in, pause, breathe out, breathe in, pause, breathe out. So kids, let's end this warming up activity with a clapping exercise. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Kids, what is the topic for today's lesson? Can you guess? Okay, before that, let us recall what we learned in the previous class. Which two sounds did we learn? Yes, you're right. We learnt oo and oo. The oo and oo sounds you learnt. Can you mention any names or words related to these sounds? Yes, pull, could, very nice. Then school, shoe, grew, they are the long oo sound. Kids, today we are going to learn the sound e and the short vowel sounds e and Look at this sound here. This is a sound. Can you repeat after me? A. Repeat. A. Repeat. A. Very good. Now look at the words. W-E-B, web. So that's w-e-b, web. Repeat. W-e-b, web. Next, it's bed. Repeat after me. Bed. That's b-e-d, bed. B-e-d, bed. Further, men. Repeat after me. Men. M-e-n, men. M-e-n, men. Then wet. W-E-T, wet. W-e-t, wet. W-E-T, wet. Can you repeat? W-e-t, wet. The last one, red. Repeat after me. R-e-d, red. Repeat. R-e-d, red. So kids, I hope you understood this sound. This is the short vowel sound e. The next sound is Repeat after me. Repeat. Very good. Let me give you some words to read. So kids, look at the words again. Memory, father, teacher, mother. So repeat after me once again. Again, memory, father, teacher, mother. Kids, if you have observed very carefully, then you will see that the sound is here in the first word again. Memory, that's memory. Here, father. So E, in the sound E you have the sound, sorry, in the alphabet E you have the sound So it's father. Teacher, the R sound is not highlighted too much, it is somewhat little bit silent, so it's teacher. Then mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, so E is again the short vowel sound So kids, I hope you understood this sound. Now it's time for us to do a small recap. Students, Look at the sentences on the green board. It says it is a pen. It's P-E-N, pen. It is a bell. That's B-E-L, bell. Repeat again. It is a bell. That's B-E-L, bell. It is a hen. H-E-N, hen. So kids, I hope you have understood the sound. Which sound is this? Can you tell me? The first or the second one? Yes, you are right. It is the first sound, A, that we learned today. Now, it's time for us to conclude the activity by a small exercise again. You will have to do a match the following there. Kids, now let's look at this match the following. Here are the words and here are the phonetic symbols. So you are going to match the word with this correct sound with the correct symbol. Okay? So you are going to match again. What is the sound here that you learnt? Right? So you can match it with this a symbol. This is the grapheme which you have. Then you have lead. L-E-D, lead. L-E-D. So A sound is there. So you can match this with this one. Next one, about. About. Here sound is A. So that you can match with this. Then you have L. E-D, lead. So you can match this with this grapheme. Further, move on, alone. A is this sound. So you can match it with this. So kids, I hope you have understood the two sounds really well. Now it's time for us to move on to the mind map. And let us have a look at what we've learned today. Kids, have a look at the mind map. Here it says small sound E and this sound A. So E, web we learnt, bed, red, wet, men. We learned these words. And then we learnt this again. The sound is A, again, about, teacher, mother, father. So kids, I hope you've understood the sounds and their graphemes. We shall meet again in the next video. Until then, you all take care and happy learning.